This message is being broadcasted at the request of the Bedford County Emergency Management. An administrative message has been sent out for all of Bedford County, Pennsylvania, at approximately around 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Reports came in about people getting poisoned from the plants. The following plants include flowers, trees, bushes, grass, and leaves. If you have gotten in contact with the plants, seek medical help. Please stay tuned for more information on this event. Please stand by. A local law enforcement warning has been issued for the city of Bedford, and along with Bedford County, Pennsylvania. Over an hour ago, the situation with the plants being poisoned has been discovered by local authorities, and the United States Environmental Protection is that there is a poison ivy gas has been spreading everywhere throughout the counties of Bedford. Do not come in contact with the plants, as you will be poisoned when you touch the plants. Local law enforcement and the United States Environmental Protection will be handling the situation. Right now, it is circulated that there will not be any plants left to be uninfected by poison ivy gas, and the cause behind all of poison ivy gas is unknown at this time. Stay tuned for more information on this event.
Welcome to Pittsburgh Radio Station. Today, there is something insane is happening in the town of Bedford. Plants and gardens has become poisoned by a poison gas ivy. If you're in the county of Bedford, do not make contact with the plants, such as touching it, you will be poisoned by it. However, civil authorities have spotted the bright green on each of the plants, which, it has caused the poison ivy to occur. The next song we are playing is Limo Ride.
An administrative message, which is being transmitted at the request of the Bedford County Emergency Management and the United States Environmental Protection. Since yesterday, many plants across the county were being poisoned by poison ivy. Do not touch any of these plants as they are now considered dangerous. Anyone who touched any of these plants is advised to call medical help. Stay tuned for more information regarding this situation.